Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best no-drill anchors is probably one of the most versatile and convenient ways to secure your furniture without the hassle of drilling holes in your walls, making it perfect for renters, apartment dwellers, or anyone who wants to protect their belongings and loved ones from potential accidents, especially in earthquake-prone areas or homes with children and pets. This video will explore the best options available, helping you choose the perfect anchors for your needs. Number 5. Furniture Anchors Anti-Tip Straps. These metal straps are designed to protect your home from earthquakes and curious little ones. They secure furniture up to 400 pounds, giving you peace of mind knowing your children are safe. The kit includes all necessary hardware, screws, straps, brackets, and wall anchors. Use them on bookshelves, dressers, TVs, almost any furniture you want to secure. Made of sturdy, impact-resistant metal, these straps can support up to 400 pounds each. For extra security, we recommend 2 sets per piece of furniture. They attach easily to the back of furniture and the wall. Plus, they're detachable, making it easy to move or clean around your furniture. These heavy-duty straps help secure your furniture during earthquakes. For optimal results, use 2 straps per item, especially for tall furniture. What we like. If you live in an earthquake-prone area or have heavy furniture, this is the perfect solution. Its high weight capacity and durable metal construction ensure your furniture stays put, even during tremors. For ultimate peace of mind, especially with young children, choose this option for its superior strength and stability. What people say. Very sturdy, size and color blend in well with my shelves. No movement when my cat jumps up on them. These anchors hold everything firmly in place, giving me peace of mind that my child is safe from potential tip-overs. The installation was straightforward, and the anchors are very sturdy. The design is logical and easy to use. The length of these cables is fine, though of necessity they are short. These cables were plenty long enough. In fact, I doubled up with some to get twice the strength. Number 4. Anti-Tip Furniture Straps. Introducing our anti-tip furniture straps, designed to keep your furniture stable and prevent accidents. They're perfect for creating a safer home environment for children and pets. These straps are made from durable nylon and are incredibly easy to install. The kit includes all the necessary hardware and clear instructions. It uses 2 brackets connected by a strong strap, secured to both the wall and your furniture with screws. This simple design provides excellent stability. They're suitable for a wide variety of furniture, from bookshelves and dressers to cabinets and TVs. Each strap can hold up to 100 pounds. For optimal safety, use at least 2 straps per piece of furniture. It's recommended to replace them every 2 years for continued protection. This 6-pack includes everything you need: 6 adjustable straps, screws, and easy-to-follow instructions. Get yours today. What we like. If you need a versatile and affordable option, these straps are a great choice. The adjustable design allows you to customize the fit for various furniture pieces, and the nylon material is durable and easy to clean. For those with lighter furniture and a smaller budget, this is a practical and effective solution. What people say. These worked great to hold up our cabinet above the toilet. Weren't too hard to install. I had moved one of my shelving stands that had this type of wall anchor when I had my floors redone, so I bought these to replace that when I moved it back and secured it to the wall. They provide good stability and are very easy to install. I bought these to secure a tall display cabinet. I used 2 to fix the narrow top edge of timber before lining up to the wall. I had to pre-drill the screw holes on the cabinet as earlier attempts result in the timber splitting slightly. Both parts of the bracket can be attached horizontally or vertically. The cable tie connecting the 2 brackets can be undone by squeezing a release tab. This saves cutting the tie and replacing it when you want to move the furniture. Number 3. XICVEIUZ Furniture Anchors Kit. Worried about furniture tipping over? This kit provides a simple solution to secure your furniture to the wall, keeping your loved ones safe. It's easy to install, no drilling, screws, or special tools are needed. Just clean the surface and apply it, it's that simple. This kit is ideal for securing dressers, cabinets, and other furniture to prevent tipping accidents, ensuring a safe environment for your little ones. The stainless steel straps are detachable, making it easy to remove when you need to move your furniture. It's great for TVs, pictures, and mirrors, providing reliable support. It's not recommended for furniture weighing over 100 pounds. Secure your furniture and your peace of mind with the XICVEIUZ Furniture Anchors Kit. Order yours today. What we like. If you're a renter or want a damage-free installation, this no-drill option is perfect. The strong adhesive provides a secure hold for most furniture, and the large pack ensures you have enough for multiple pieces. For those who prioritize a quick and easy setup without compromising safety, this is the ideal choice. What people say. This was super easy to install and my TV and shelving are very well secured to the wall. They are easy to remove if you need to move the furniture for cleaning or moving. These really have sticking power. More than enough for my large TCL 75-inch flat screen. Were so much easier to install than typical screw-in ones. These things don't budge an inch. We used them as an extra precaution to anchor our TV to its TV stand, as well as our 55-gallon tank to our rock wall. I was shocked they stuck to the rock wall, and didn't budge after an impressive amount of tugging. We did clean the area of placement with an alcohol pad first, and chose the smoothest place possible to anchor. These were so easy to put together and are very strong. Number 2. TipNot Furniture Anchors. These anchors provide peace of mind, keeping your family and belongings safe. A 2-pack, they hold up to 300 pounds, perfect for childproofing. Worried about curious toddlers? These anchors offer reliable protection against tipping furniture, giving you extra security. Secure your valuable furniture, from TVs to bookcases, with these sturdy anchors. They're perfect for preventing accidents. No tools or screws needed. Simply peel and stick them to the wall and furniture. They're discreet and easy to hide. Made from durable materials, they're built to last. Use them on any furniture, and remove them easily when needed. What we like. If you value a clean, aesthetic look, these invisible anchors are the answer. Their strong adhesive and high weight capacity provide reliable protection without compromising your home's style. For those who want discreet childproofing in a seamless look, this is the perfect solution. What people say. It works fine though. It was super easy to put up and it seems pretty strong. I pulled on it a few times to try and move it, but I didn't want to overdo it just in case, and it didn't budge. It has decent grip. Works great. Even after removing it for a few times with a move. Very sturdy. Used this to anchor a large heavy bookcase in my toddler's play area. It hid nicely behind the bookcase and held perfectly on lightly textured painted wall. After a year and a half we were moving and taking it off left no damage. Number 1. YEYA Upgraded Anti-Tip Anchors. Introducing the YEYA Upgraded Anti-Tip Furniture Anchors. These anchors use strong adhesives, so there's no need for drilling holes in your furniture or walls. Installation is quick and easy. It features upgraded adhesive plates for an even stronger hold. Yet, it's also easy to unlock and remove when you need to move your furniture or clean behind it. These baby-proofing anchors are designed for simple, one-handed operation. Just turn the key to lock or unlock, it's that easy. They effectively prevent furniture from tipping over, keeping your toddlers and pets safe from harm. Peace of mind is priceless. Use them on dressers, cabinets, bookshelves, or any furniture that needs extra stability. They're the perfect solution for securing furniture to the wall. When you're ready to remove them, they come off cleanly without leaving any marks or damage on your walls or furniture. What we like. If you want a convenient and easy-to-use solution, these upgraded anchors are a great option. The strong adhesive and one-hand operation make installation and removal a breeze. For those who prioritize ease of use and a damage-free installation, this is the best choice. What people say. Very durable and easy install. The product itself is excellent. There are several keys for the locks, this is good. The product was easy to install as the ends are secured by adhesive rather than needing to drill into the wall. Appears to work well and have not had issues with performance. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.